Welcome to the Pictory AI tutorial. Unleash the power of AI for stunning visuals. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to harness the full potential of Pictory AI to create breathtaking visuals. Step 1. Getting started. Begin by visiting the Pictory AI website and creating an account. Once logged in, you'll have access to an array of powerful AI features. Step 2. Upload your image. Select an image from your computer or device and upload it to Pictory AI's platform. Step 3. Exploring AI enhancements. Let's dive into Pictory AI's impressive array of AI-powered enhancements. From sharpening and color correction to background removal and stylistic filters, Pictory AI has it all. Step 4. Fine-tuning your visuals. Pictory AI allows you to refine your image further. Adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings to achieve your desired look. Step 5. Saving and sharing your creation. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, hit the Save button. You can download the enhanced image and share it with the world. Congratulations! You've successfully unleashed the power of Pictory AI to create stunning visuals. Now go forth and let your creativity shine with Pictory AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. Voiceover.